In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage and finalize the changes made in your document using the review tools available. This is an essential skill for anyone working on collaborative documents or revising drafts, ensuring that all alterations are correctly monitored and either accepted or dismissed according to your preferences. To begin, open the document you've been working on and navigate to the Review tab at the top of your interface. This is your command center when it comes to tracking and managing changes in your document. Once you're there, direct your attention to the Tracking group. This section houses key options such as Track Changes, Accept, Reject, Previous, and Next Steps, providing you with a toolkit to control document revisions precisely. If you've reached a point where you're satisfied with the amendments and ready to accept all changes, you'll want to streamline this process. Click on the Accept drop-down arrow, and from the options that appear, select Accept All Changes. By doing this, you're effectively acknowledging every update that's been made, solidifying them into the text. Should you also wish to cease the tracking of changes, perhaps because you've reached the final version of your document, you can opt for Accept All Changes and stop tracking. This halts the change logging feature, stopping any further tracking and ensuring that your document reflects only the accepted versions of the edits. On the other hand, if after reviewing you decide that none of the changes are suitable, or perhaps they don't fit the intended direction of your draft, you have the option to reject them swiftly. Once again, return to the tracking group, but this time click on the Reject drop-down arrow. Select Reject All Changes from the menu. This choice reverts your document back to its original state, void of any proposed adjustments. Opting for Reject All Changes and Stop Tracking will also prevent future changes from being recorded, allowing you to work in a clean slate moving forward. Subsequent to accepting or rejecting the changes, it's important to ensure your document is presented clearly. Check that the markup display is minimized by switching the view to No Markup or Final, depending on your requirements. By doing this, you'll confirm that all previous change indicators are cleared from view, leaving you with a polished version of your document. Finally, remember to save your work. Saving incorporates all of the preferences you've set and ensures that the document reflects exactly what you intend. By following these steps, you'll maintain a high level of professionalism in your documents, ready to share with team members or present in meetings without the clutter of past revisions.